Hello everyone, welcome back to session 5 of the series Women is Special. And I'm very happy and grateful that you are watching this session with me. And today I'll tell you that how women can learn to live her life of desires and dreams which she always wanted. And while being a woman, obviously I have also faced a lot of different challenges in life and lot of struggles and lot of things, success you can say, ups and downs. And in my journey I realized that every woman should understand this thing, that the power is within her only and it's not outside, and she need to understand, and she should be able to tap that power, and she can design her life the way she wants. And I really don't want to end my life like the previous generations living, and that life that was designed according to the people's agenda, that this is the way a woman should behave, this is the way the woman should react or do these things. So I don't want to live my life like that way, and I really wanted all women should also understand that what is important in their life, and they should live their life according to that. And then I realized that as women we need to find freedom within ourselves, and before we can live our best life. So what is that freedom? And in this series which you are watching, you will learn, and you will learn to find the key to your freedom, and you can transform from an ordinary woman to a divine diva. And you know how you can transform your life to a divine diva? By learning the 3 important C's. So these C's are very important, because if you learn these 3 C's, you will be able to transform your life. And these 3 C's are nothing. This is number 1, courage; number 2, clarity; number 3, consistency. So these are the 3 C's. If you learn, if you master, you can definitely transform your life. And I believe these are the 3 pillars on which everybody's life rests. And whatever is missing, all it takes a bit of a focused work to build it up and make it an integral part of you. And how did I figure this out? That must be a question coming into your mind. So when something is bothering me about my life, I do all the research I can. कुछ मुझे परेशान कर रहा है तो मैं उसको easily से छोड़ती नहीं कि हो गया. I try to find out why this is bothering me and what I can do about it. And I focus then getting the best possible results by learning it. And by learning all those things which bothered me, right now what I am is thanks to all my struggles, because I learned a lot of things. And my family and I are the very strong pillars. We understand each other, and now we have figured out at what works and what doesn't work. And I really believe that I'm a student, I'm a seeker who spent the past 15-16 years learning how to live the best life possible. So I don't want to just live ordinary life, and I just want to live the best version of myself. And ever since I began learning, I wanted to share with the countless women in India or across the world who have not had the opportunity to do various self-help courses or read over lot of books on the topic, and cull out what works and what doesn't work. Because believe me, I have tried a lot of reading stuff. I tried all the techniques. I noted down which things work in this situation, what doesn't work, what is practically possible, and what is just theoretical mentioned in the book. So I have spent a lot of time in learning, and all the trainings I have sought out combined with the lessons life itself has taught me, and it made me one of the I will say the most strong, courageous and confident woman in the industry of the life coaching. So these sessions will give you a holistic view of overall of your life, build up the main pillars, that the connections, confidence and career, and you will live a complete life, and you will become a woman living in her pleasure. And what does that look like? Think about it. What does a life look like where you're living your dream?